Mars is it's a fixer-upper of a planet, but we could make it work.
Strap yourselves in. We're going to Mars.
For decades, Mars has been humanity's ultimate dream, a second home, a place to start over. But behind all these science fiction's optimisms and grand promises, there's a harsh reality. Mars is not waiting for us with open arms. In fact, it's actively trying to kill us. In this video, we will dive deep into the biggest problems with colonizing Mars. Problems that make it more like a death trap than a second Earth. Let's start with the first major problem, Mars atmosphere. Mars atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth and mostly carbon dioxide. That means no breathable air, no protection from deadly radiation, and no way to retain heat. At night, temperatures drop to minus 80 degrees Celsius, and during the day, the thin air does little to keep you warm. And if your suits get a puncture, well, let's say just it wouldn't be a slow death. On Earth, we are lucky. Our atmosphere and magnetic field shield us from deadly cosmic rays. But Mars, it has no such protection. Astronauts on Mars would be exposed to dangerously high radiation, enough to increase the risk of cancer, brain damage, and even sterilization. To survive, future Martian colonies will have to live underground, beneath thick layer of soil, lead, or ice. But building those shelters, that's another challenge entirely. We can't survive without water, but Mars is bone dry. NASA's best bet is to mine ice or harvest water from atmosphere. But that requires massive infrastructure, and without enough water, farming, drinking, and even creating rocket fuel becomes impossible. Forget green fields and lush farm. Mars soil is toxic. If you are relying on solar power, these storms can cut off your energy for weeks, and without power, your food supply is gone. Massive greenhouses will be necessary, but maintaining stable temperature on a planet that can block out sunlight for months, that's a nightmare. Okay, let's assume we solve all these problems. There's still one enemy left, our own mind. Imagine living in a cramped, windowless habitat for years, knowing that stepping outside means instant death. No fresh air, no blue sky, no escape. Even on Earth, people in remote locations suffer from depression and mental breakdowns. Now imagine that 140 million miles away. So, does this mean Mars colonization is impossible? It just means the road ahead is far tougher than most people think. Companies like SpaceX and NASA are working on solutions, better habitats, radiation shielding, and even terraforming. But these challenges might take decades or even centuries to solve. For now, Mars remains a dream. The real question is, will we be ready? What do you think? Are we destined to colonize Mars, or is it just a fantasy? Let me know in the comment section, and click here to watch why Jupiter is a failed star, and click here to subscribe Cosmic Colors for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.